and there's nobody around me. This waterfall is kind of unique because you can actually see it from both sides. Hello viewers, back on the roads again, and I'm moving towards Thenzawl in Mizoram, 90 kilometers away from Aizawl. I went to see Thenzawl golf course, but it was already closed and I was late. So I decided to move towards my next destination, the mighty Vantawng Falls, and camp there. Hi there. So I've reached Thenzawl and I came here to this Vantawng Falls, but it was already dark when I came here, and there's a watchtower here, there's my car, and I tried to see the fall in the dark, but it's not visible even with my torch. So I'll be camping here tonight, and there's nobody around me, and I hope everything goes well. I hope to see the waterfall tomorrow in the morning, and I have to have a good sleep. This is gonna be a night. See you tomorrow. Good morning. I came to Vantawng Falls yesterday in the evening and it was already dark, so I camped here. I slept in the car and I couldn't see the view in the evening yesterday. This morning I came to see the Vantawng Waterfall. which can be seen from here. It's not monsoon time, so the waterfall is a bit dry. Otherwise, in monsoon times, it would have been full of water. So the view is quite spectacular from here. So I'm gonna climb upstairs and see the view from there, and probably with a zoom lens. Yesterday when I arrived, it was dark and there was nobody here. I came there in my car. This was the parking spot. This is the viewpoint, and there is the falls. And that is the waterfall. It is too tired. After exploring Vantawng Waterfall, I am now headed towards a beautiful and unique waterfall. It's called Tuirihiau Waterfall in Thenzawl. Reached a place called Chongchilhi. That means a cave. Let's see what's there. A stone cave there. So I've come to this place, Tuirihiau Park, and there's a waterfall, Tuirihiau Waterfall, for which I have come here. Let's go and see the waterfall. It's down there, I guess. I can hear the gushing sound of water, so it's probably be there. There was only one person near the parking, and he doesn't know Hindi well as English. Let's go and see. So I have arrived at this beautiful Tuirihiau Waterfall. I will try to get behind the waterfall and see it from the other side. Maybe slippery. I'll have to walk very carefully. Woohoo! I made it! And I'm on the other side of the fall. There's the fall. There's a cave. I can see it from inside the cave. Woohoo! Very slippery out here. This waterfall is kind of unique because you can actually see it from both sides. There's a cave here, a rock cave, and the water flows up from the rock, and you can actually come behind the waterfall. It's nice. Okay, it's time to say bye-bye to this waterfall and move ahead to Sachip for some new adventures. So see you there. There are so many bugs and flies out here, and I have probably eaten some. Cause cough. Woohoo!